Hello, my name is Ali Rez and I'm an ADA laureate in the field of design. It was an absolute honor to be selected by the outstanding jury at ADA for myself and my team to have the work recognized at a national level, to have so many people view it. The design inspiration for Not a Bugsplat came a lot from my personal experiences with film. There is one particular film called The Third Man, which is also a really good book by Graham Greene. And in that film, Orson Welles' character is having a conversation in which he views a number of people from a distance and asks another person how they seemed unimportant to him because they were so far away, because they looked like little insects. The same thinking applied towards an art and design project that was centered around protesting drone strikes in Pakistan. Our basic thought came from the principle that distance created a sort of insensitivity. And how could we breach that? How could we turn that around and bring that sensitivity or emotional impact to whoever was behind that strike? The design methodologies we used were very simple. On the production side, we wanted absolute authenticity. So we worked with an NGO who supplied us with an image of a child who was actually directly impacted by a drone strike. Her house had been bombed, she had lost her parents and family members, so we did use that image in our work. We went with a poster design, which we scaled up because that was the whole concept, that it would be an incredibly large poster which would be viewed from a great distance, but it would be of a face that would bring the drone operator close to the person instead of viewing them as a dot. The production of it was on one side, but the implementation of it was another big challenge because we had to find the right place. And the spot we found was an actual village that had been bombed in the past. Again, to make sure that authenticity was the key factor in everything that we did. We collaborated with the Inside Out movement. We used their design background to provide a very simple black and white look, which also helped the image stand out from everything around it. In the end, I think the simplicity and the authenticity were two things that were very, very important in this piece. Creativity is very important, as we have seen currently even. We're living through unprecedented times and we can see all the various forms of creativity around us. It is going to be essential always. Whether it's in architecture, design, art, science, finance, it's that desire to move something forward in a different manner from which everybody has seen it before. That is the key element of creativity, to create something that nobody else thought of. And that's what's amazing about award shows as well, because you get to come across all these different thoughts and different principles that open your eyes towards what's possible. ADA Awards might have just started in comparison to other award shows, but they're doing something really, truly incredible for Pakistan. They are asking everybody to push the standards higher, to look towards a higher benchmark. Awards are important because they help us get better. They help us see how much we can push ourselves, how much others are pushing themselves, how people are coming up with something new and something that pushes the entire industry forward. And it's a great place for everybody to have a conversation around what is important in architecture, design and art. I wish ADA Awards the very best of luck. I'm looking forward to the second event. And again, there is a lot of work to be showcased, a lot of work to be appreciated, a lot of work to be inspired by, a lot of work to look at and envy and appreciate, as I mentioned, just so that it can move all these industries forward. It can make us all better at what we do. So thank you for doing it.